Hello YouTube, Heavy Duty Reviews coming to you again. Something about the grips on the 629. They are hanging over a little bit right there, which causes a sort of a sharp edge, and a little bit right there too, and I'm going to sand them off so that it'll be 100% and it'll look better and it won't make me bleed. So I'll post another video after I'm done with that. Okay, YouTube, I used some Scotch-Brite and a little bit of sandpaper, and now the grips look very nice. Sand them down where that sharp point is now not poking out over an inch over the freaking side. Not really an inch, but it was poking out, and that was one of the problems wrong with those Altamont grips. Too thin and very pokey. Now it's perfectly level with the side of the gun. And now I shouldn't have the problem of them it biting into my thumb and ripping my flesh away. It wasn't all that bad. I mean, I shot 100 rounds with it, so. But now it'll be perfect, and I like these grips a lot better. And that's it, folks.